Yeah, next idea of exponents is exponents with negative integers. As per the definition of exponent, exponent is the multiplication of a number repeatedly for some times. For suppose if I said 2 power 7, what is 2 power 7? 2 power 7 is multiplication of 2 for how many times? 7 times. If you multiply 2 for 7 times, your answer is 128. That's it. Okay, you just multiply, you will get it as 128. But if the power is a negative integer, exponents with negative integers as powers. Exponents with negative integers as powers, you may call them as powers or indices as you wish. See, 2 power minus 7, what it means? 2 power 7 means multiplication of 2 7 times. There is a meaning. We are multiplying 2 for 7 times. But 2 power minus 7 means what? Multiplication of 2 for minus 7 times. Is there a meaningful thing? As per the definition, it is meaningless. Okay? What I am saying is, as per the definition, it is meaningless. But as a notation, we have to use. As a notation, we need to use. 2 power minus 7. There is no a definition meaning here. Just we have a notation here. See, 2 power minus 7. How to write the 2 power minus 7 as a notation? For that, we are using the same logic, different laws. Okay, a power minus n. First of all, I am just formulating. I am going to give you a generalized structure. A power minus n. How to write this a power minus n? You just have a look. What is the answer? How can we notate this a power minus n? A power minus n can be written as a power 0 minus n. Is there anything wrong? Base is a itself. Just I am rewriting this minus n as 0 minus n. Yeah, and we have different laws with us. One of the law is what? As we are discussing, a power m divided by a power n is simply a power m minus n, right? With that idea, I will rewrite it like this. For m and n, here 0 and n. N is same, but instead of m I have 0. I will rewrite it like a power 0 by a power n. Okay. And the next thing is, what you say about this a power 0? Right. A power 0 is 1. So the numerator is 1 and the denominator is what? A power n. So at the end your answer is 1 divided by a power n. Just with the help of that particular law. With the help of this particular law, we are just generalizing a power minus n as 1 by a power n. That is a notation for a power minus n. We need to treat it like a notation. As per the definition, it is a meaningless thing. A power minus n can be notated as 1 by a power n. That's it. With that particular logic, if you wish to calculate 2 power minus 7, this 2 power minus 7 can be notated as 1 divided by 2 power 7. And we have the value of 2 power 7 as 128. So 2 power minus 7 as 1 by 128. That's the thing. Exponents with negative integers as powers. If power is a negative integer, then it can be developed with this particular logic. And finally, we formulate a power minus n as 1 by a power n. With that idea, the value of 2 power minus 7 is 128 for an example. I will give you some more problems here. You just treat all these things as 4a. Okay, have a look. Yeah, we are discussing exponents with negative integers as powers. If there is a negative integer like minus n in the power, as we discussed, a power minus n can be written as 1 divided by a power n. Okay, this is one of the basic law. A power minus n is 1 by a power n. And the other thing is a power minus 1. A power minus 1 means what? Instead of n, we have 1 right here. So a power minus n is 1 by a power n. If we have a power minus n, it can be written as 1 by a power 1. That a power 1 is a, right? So directly I will write it like a power minus n as 1 by a. This is also very useful. If the power is minus 1, then you need to reciprocal the base. Here base is a, right? Power is minus 1. So your answer is the reciprocal of this a, 1 by a. With that idea, easily we will answer many questions. Here think about the third one. 7 power minus 1. Power is minus 1. Here 7 is the base. Then your answer is reciprocal of 7, which is 1 by 7. That's it. And the next thing, 3 power minus 4. So now to answer 3 power minus 4, you need to go with this first law. A power minus n as 1 by a power n. So 3 power minus 4 is 1 by 3 power 4. Just directly replace a with 3, n with 4. 3 power minus 4 and 1 by 3 power 4. And your answer is 1 by 81. Right? And the next thing, 2 by 3 power minus 1. Power is minus 1 and the base is 2 by 3. If the power is minus 1, then you just reciprocal the base and write your answer. Here the base is 2 by 3, right? Reciprocal of the 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So that is your answer at the end. We have two laws here. If the power is minus n, 1 by a power n is the answer. If power is minus 1, you need to write reciprocal of this base as your answer. So 2 by 3 to the power minus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay? Just have a look. Very simple. But you need to see, intentionally you need to try. Okay? And the next thing here it is minus 2 to the power minus 3. See, this minus 2 is base and minus 3 is power. As per this first law, it can be written as 1 divided by minus 2 to the power 3. Is it right? Absolutely. Okay? Right. Okay? And minus 2 power 3. Here base is minus 2, power is 3, multiply minus 2 for 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 minuses will give us one more negative sign and then 2 cube is 8. This is 1 by minus 8 as your answer. That's it. And the next thing is 3 by 4 power minus 1 to the power minus 1. First of all, you just simplify this 4 power minus 1. What is 4 power minus 1? By this particular law, if minus 1 is the power, you need to reciprocal the base. So this 4 power, this is 3 divided by, this 4 power minus 1 is 1 by 4. This 4 power minus 1 is 1 by 4 and the whole thing is to the power minus 1. So what is the value of 3 by 1 by 4? 3 by 1 by 4. See, you send this 4 here and then it is 12 and your answer is 12 power minus 1. 12 power minus 1 is again 1 by 12. Because power is minus 1, just write reciprocal of the base as your answer. That's it. And the remaining problems are very, very simple. You just have a look here. 1 power 1. 1 time. So your answer is 1. Next thing. 1 power minus 1. See, power is minus 1. Base is 1. If power is minus 1, we need to write the reciprocal of the base. Here base is 1, right? Its reciprocal is again 1, right? So your answer is 1 only. 1 power 1 is 1. 1 power minus 1 is 1. And the next thing. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1 for 1 time. Minus 1 for 1 time is simply nothing but minus 1 only. And then minus 1 to the power minus 1. Very simple. Power is minus 1. Okay. If power is minus 1, what we need to do? We need to write the reciprocal of the base. Base is minus 1. Its reciprocal is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power minus 1 is minus 1 only. Okay. And then coming to those problems. 1 power 0. As I said, anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 power 0 is also 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 power 0 is also 1. Minus 1 power 0. Power 0, surely 1. 0 power 1. If the base is 0, 0 power anything is 0 only. And here 0 power minus 1. Actually 0 power minus 1 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is actually infinite. Okay? 1 by 0 is infinite. So 0 power minus 1 is 1 by 0. And sometimes we say it does not exist or we may write it as infinite. Okay? You just observe all these problems. Okay? You just observe all these problems. And in the next class again I will start my class with these problems only. Okay? As I said, you just don't note down these answers, observe the explanation and write the answers in your way after the class. Have a look.